Sensei opens the session. Today we tackle the twin goals of mirror-like surface finish and faster cycle time. Aiko, efficiency often seems to compete with quality, but with the right approach they reinforce each other. Aiko asks what the starting point should be. Toolbot appears, projecting a holographic graph showing how feed rate affects surface roughness and introduces the concept of balancing cutting speed, feed, and depth. Sensei explains the foundational cutting conditions, choosing appropriate cutting speed to avoid built-up edge, reducing feed for better finish, and using shallow finish depth while respecting nose radius. He sketches diagrams showing how nose radius, feed, and depth interact to produce different surface roughness outcomes. Aiko asks about tooling. Sensei describes selecting the right insert geometry, coatings, and the trade-offs of nose radius versus chatter. Toolbot overlays examples of wiper inserts, CBN tips, and coated tools showing wear life graphs and how sharpness affects finish quality and when to replace tools. Sensei emphasizes the importance of coolant and chip control. He instructs Aiko on adjusting high-pressure coolant nozzles to target the cutting zone, explaining how proper flow stabilizes temperature and flushes chips. Toolbot animates coolant streams and chip evacuation, making the thermal and lubrication effects visible. Aiko reviews the CNC program on her tablet, applying the mentor's advice, separating roughing and finishing passes, using constant surface speed control, minimizing idle rapid moves, and structuring tool paths to reduce total cycle time while preserving finish quality. Narration details burr management and design adaptation, using sharp tools, controlling exit direction to push burrs outward, adding intentional chamfers or small radii, and incorporating in-process deburring like integrated brushes to reduce post-processing. Sensei wraps up with advanced best practices, leveraging wiper inserts to raise feed without sacrificing finish, adopting hard turning with CBN to replace grinding in hardened parts, and using adaptive control systems for real-time tuning. Aiko expresses confidence, and Toolbot displays a floating checklist titled Finish and Efficiency Workflow with icons for each key technique.